Good morning! Hello. Welcome to another vlog. So today is Saturday, first day of the weekend, and my kitchen is disgusting. Look, there's yesterday's takeaway. There's just rubbish everywhere. There's like a leftover curry that needs to be thrown away now. Half a washing machine full. Mat that we eat on the floor. Washing clothes, and then all of this. Started to fold the tea towels already. This I left to dry here last night so I can fill it today. Yeah. But isn't it always nice when you come down to a messy kitchen? No, it's not. Yeah, I've just given the kids their breakfast. Elisa's having cereal, a banana and a yogurt, and Isa's gonna have toast. So it is a little bit later. I have uploaded yesterday's vlog and made the kids lunch, had some lunch myself, and we've just been having a really chill day so far. So now it's time to do some cleaning because I haven't done any of that apart from put the wash on. But yeah, my kitchen is a mess. This mat that we eat on, it is full of huldy stains, like so many. And I don't know how to get them out, so if anybody knows how to get huldy stains out of like tablecloth fabric, then let me know because I would love to know. Come on, we go and wash up. Meant to be washing up, but this little man won't let me, will you? Hey? He's very clingy. What's up? What is it? What's that? That one? I'm gonna have to just chill with this little man for a bit because he is not in the mood to let mommy do anything, which I'm not complaining about really. So it is a little bit later, a lot later, not even gonna lie, it's like past 5 o'clock now. Me and Isa fell asleep on the sofa because he won't let me go today, which is why the vlog has been like this. He has been very clingy because he's not feeling well. So of course the kids always come first, which is why the vlog is going to be a weekend vlog instead of a day vlog. So that is what is going to happen with this vlog. I come upstairs just now to put some clothes out because they've been sitting in the washing machine and then I fell asleep, so I have to put those out now. Isa realised I was gone, so I went downstairs to get him. Picked up the camera as well. Hello. What are you doing? Mummy. Yeah, so I'm just going to put all these clothes out now. Now that that's done, I'm going to sort out all the dry clothes in here, which were yesterday's washing, so I'm going to do that now. So all of that is done. Isa seems to be a bit happier playing in this room, so we're just going to chill in here for a little bit, aren't we, little man? So hubby has cooked dinner. We have got some quinoa and we have got some pasta boiling away. It's nearly done. Also, I just filled this up, but it did not record it, so yeah, that's what it looks like. Do you like it? No, don't play with that, little man. So it is Monday now, and my babies are not feeling well. They did not sleep well last night at all. Kept waking up. Elisa's got a cold. She's not well. Isa is the same as he was yesterday. His nose, his bogies are drying up a little bit, but he's still not feeling well. It's so silly.
We're gonna eat and then I can get better.
Yeah.
And my fever won't go away, so that's fine.
That's fine.
But look, go look at
Got
the
your red
fridge.
cheek again. You okay?
Yeah.
You feel a little bit warm as well. We're gonna have to take your temperature soon.
Yeah.
But yes, fun times. So I've come to my mum's house because it is brunch day on Sunday. Say hey, Isa. Isa's still not feeling well. Maya's here. Maya, you should join the circus. Elisa and Imani are playing in the hallway. Elisa's still not feeling well. She's all snotty and horrible. But my mum, should I go see what my mum's doing? Let's go and investigate what is being cooked. Here's these two. Hey! Are you feeling better, Lisa?
No.
Nope, okay. Mum has made some keema with potatoes, yummy yummy. And these, what are these, Mum?
They're like little mini omelets.
Mini omelettes that are gonna go in the oven. What have they got in them?
Peppers,
Vegetables.
tomatoes.
Is that salami?
Yeah,
Yummy. And then this is some crepes that we have with this. So good. So good. Wow.
We're gonna have French toast.
French toast. We're gonna have French toast, and then all of these little bits and bobs as well. Oh, and Mum picked up these raspberry coulis. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Raspberry coulis and what does that even say? Alfonso. Alfonso mango and passion fruit coulis. Ooh, and then salted caramel sauce. Yum. Isa is being a clingy boy. Are you being clingy? What have you been up to, Maya?
I'm doing this.
Doing this. Yes?
Do you make French toast?
No. What are you guys doing?
Making a bed.
Making a bed? Is this for Elisa to sleep in because she's poorly?
That's for all of us.
For all of you?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I'm gonna get a bed.
These guys are in bed. Maya is scaring them.
Not actually scared. Not scared.
Not scaring you. Only being silly.
It's funny.
So they have made this. They made the bed into a car now.
A train.
A train. Where are you going to go?
I don't know.
Are you going to go to the moon?
House.
You going to go? House.
Yeah.
What house?
Go to school.
You're going to go to school? Okay. Be good. Do all your work. Don't be naughty. Listen to your teachers. Zip it, lock it, put it in your pocket.
And my teacher has a bed.
Your teacher's got a bed. That's not very good, is it?
And could all of teddy.
Oh.
My teddy.
Oh.
There's lots of them, but I'll need this one because I love it.
Oh. cake? Yeah. Come on then. Issa fell asleep. I came home to grab a few bits and pieces that I need to take to my mom's house. I got a little table and chair, so excited to put them together. It looks like I've got something on my nose, but I haven't. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Anyway, heading back to my mom's house now. So we're playing this game. What is it called? Kahoot. It's called Kahoot. I'm downloading the app. But what do you have to do? Tell us what you have to do.
It's like a quiz, and there's like 4 questions, or true or false, and then you have to answer the question, and there's like a leaderboard.
Yeah.
And it shows the 3 top winners.
Yeah, so it's like a quiz game, and you choose which quiz you want to do on the website, and then everyone joins from their app. Then you all play against each other, and then you have to win by getting the most points. Yes, darling.
This is my phone.
That's your phone.
Yeah, my Sky phone.
Wow. Look, I bought some tissues, Paw Patrol tissues from B&M, and Elisa's using it as her phone. Don't snatch. That's not nice. We're gonna play now. Right, teach me how to do it.
I'm 6. I'm Cyprus.
Is it actually? Oh my god. I copied you. Yeah, Maya!
The shape is actually the shape of the...
I don't know what the shape of that country is. Mum is making one of my favourite foods that she makes. What is it called? Halim. Halim. I forgot then. But yummy, yummy, yum, yummy, yummy, yum. Onions are cooking. Meat's cooking in there. Look at that. So delicious, so delicious. So, excuse my face. It is about 7:25 and we are headed home now. We had a lovely dinner and a whole day at my mom's house, which is always really nice. But yeah, we're just headed home. These guys are going to go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry that it was all over the place, but yeah, Elisa's feeling a little bit better. She had some Calpol. She got really hot and had a really bad temperature, and gave her some Calpol and it's gone down, but her nose hasn't been as runny as it was this morning and last night. Issa seems to be a lot better as well, so inshallah they'll be okay. I'm not going to send Lisa to nursery tomorrow, but inshallah I'll be able to send her on Tuesday and the rest of the week. So yes, that is what's going on. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Issa wave. Oh, lovely.